In my life, I've battled against the rain. I've struggled with the wind. I've weathered the storm. Without ever stopping, I've crossed deserts, sailed the oceans, explored glaciers. And what I've learnt is that nothing is impossible. My ideas, your ideas, our ideas can change the world. And here's something more. It's exactly your ideas that have made me better. The truth is that people are the center of everything, and there can only be a true evolution when the benefits of a new technology are for everyone. Every day, everywhere in the world, I protect your work. I defend your future. I watch over your treasure. When the wind moves the wheat, when water floods the streets, when snow blankets the trees, I am there, always around you. Some call me shield, some call me shelter, others call me protection. Just don't call me tarpaulin. My name is Cramaro. Cramaro, always around.